This video provides guidance on the measurement of the extra over tiling area required. So first of all, what does it mean by extra over? When we use extra over, it means that we don't have to make an allowance in the quantities for an adjustment in terms of a deduct. The adjustment is made within the rate for that item. So let's consider that we have wall finishes. We've allowed £10 a metre squared, and the actual cost of the tiling is £30 a metre squared. Against our extra over item, we would actually only put in a rate of £20 a metre squared, because that quantity would already have an allowance of £10 a metre squared associated with it in the wall finishes calculation. So if the architect at this early stage hasn't indicated where such tiling items would be, use common sense. There would be around splashback areas in bathrooms and kitchens. So what are we going to assume for the community centre? First of all, the two rooms which we need to consider are the disabled toilet and the kitchen area. For the disabled toilet, let's assume that we have tiling from floor to ceiling height, so entirely tiled. So in the waste calculation, you would work out the girth of the room, and once you have the girth of that room, you would multiply it by the height of the room in the dimension column to get the area, and then remember you need to make an adjustment for the door opening here. For the kitchen area, let's assume this line here, this is a work surface, so and on this work surface we'll have the electrical items, maybe a sink, etc. So what we're going to allow to at these around this girth here to these two side walls and along here, let's take three courses of tiling, so let's say that's 300mm high. So in our waste column, work out the actual total length of tiling, and then measure in the dimension column, take that total length and multiply it by a height of 300mm.